Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 from 2021 and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, we have to open the keyboard, for example in the notes, messages, wherever you want to actually just have the keyboard on the screen. And right now all we have to do is to simply enter the settings. If you cannot find them here, no worries, 3 dots icon and the settings should appear right here. You will be able to tap on them, hold them and drag them to this first panel in order to have much faster access to it. So I've just accidentally removed them. So let's enter the settings and here let's tap on languages and types. And as you can see here, we've got the list of all previously added languages. We've got only English right now, so let's tap on Manage Input Languages. And here we've been transferred to the two different lists of languages. As you can see here, we've got downloaded ones, and all we have to do here, if of course our language will be in this list, is to simply tap on the switcher and it will be immediately applied. If you will find your language in the list of available languages, then first of all you will have to download it and it will then immediately appear on this first list. So so basically that's all. If you need just download it, then you will have to have the internet connection. But let me pick something from the downloaded languages and let me pick for example this one, or maybe Greek one, or this one. I would like to pick the graphical language in order to show you the actual difference between the languages when we will change the keyboards. So all you have to do is to simply tap on the switcher. As you can see right now it is active, so we can go back and here it has been immediately applied. What's more, we've got an additional option, the language switching method. So let's tap on it, and as you can see here we've got 3 different options from which we can choose. So we've got the spacebar swipe, language key, or both of them, and I will stick with this option in order to show you the actual difference and how both of them are working. So let's get back to the keyboard. And actually we've got one difference here. So we've got the language key, the globe icon, which will allow us to change the language. So right now I'm typing English, but after tapping on the globe icon I can easily switch to the Gregorian one, probably. Let me tap on it again and again English. So that was the language key, how the language key works. And now the spacebar swipe. All we have to do is to simply slightly swipe on the spacebar. Just like that. So basically this is it. This is how to add the language to a keyboard. And now let me show you how to remove the language, because usually you do not really need like 5 or 4 different languages added. So if you'd like to remove the language, just go back to the languages and types and enter Manage Input Languages. And here all you have to do is to simply tap on the option like to disable. So in my case this Georgian one. Let's get back. As you probably saw, we've got only English left, so just like it was before this whole video, and right now we can only type in English, we cannot do a spacebar swipe. What's more, the language key disappeared. So actually this is it. This is how to change keyboard language in your Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 from 2021. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.